At any given moment, you have the power to say, "This is not how the story is going to end." Do what is right, not what is easy, nor what is popular. If there's a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. By changing nothing, nothing changes. You can, you should, and if you're brave enough to start, you will. A ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are built for. Fear is forward. No one is afraid of yesterday. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. There is nothing brilliant or outstanding in my record, except perhaps this one thing. I do the things I believe ought to be done. And when I make up my mind to do a thing, I act. The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. If you're serious about changing your life, you'll find a way. If you're not, you'll find an excuse. We build too many walls and not enough bridges. Do one thing every day that scares you. There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. Step out of the history that is holding you back. Step into the new story you are willing to create. The most beautiful and profound way to change yourself is to accept yourself completely, as imperfect as you are. Your big opportunity may be right where you are standing right now. You must have long-term goals to keep you from being frustrated by short-term failures. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. Everyone you will ever meet knows something you don't. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. The greatest mistake you can make in life is to be continually fearing you will make one. Never too old, never too bad, never too late, never too sick to start from scratch once again. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. As soon as anyone starts telling you to be realistic, cross that person off your invitation list. Getting over a painful experience is much like crossing monkey bars. You have to let go at some point in order to move forward. Taking a new step, uttering a new word, is what people fear most. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Use what talents you possess. The woods will be very silent if no birds sang there, except those that sang best. If you run, you stand a chance of losing, but if you don't run, you've already lost. Things change, and friends leave. Life doesn't stop for anybody. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live.